How to recover Google account without verification code, password, or phone number. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can recover your Google account without verification code, password, or phone number. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So keep that in mind that this is only possible without verification code, password, and phone number if it's in your device that is trusted. So, such as if you've been using that account in this device for a really long time, that means that the account will recognize your device and it won't really require much, authentication or verification to get logged in. So, head over to the sign in option of this page and simply type in the email of that very account. And after you do that, you will then tap on next. And after you tap on next, you will need to type in your password. But we'll tap on try another way. And we'll again tap on try another way. After you do that, as you can see, it says welcome back. We were able to verify that it's you because you are signed in into your recovery account. Now, this is also another case where you can simply log in when you're already logged in into your recovery email as well. So tap on continue or update your password. And that way you can simply recover your Gmail. And yeah, your account is all you have also received a mail that this email has been recovered. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.